I'll be right back.
I wonder if he has his earbuds in.
Did he fall asleep on a radio?
No, he was in lounge. So Jesus.
Ew. Is he on his desk?
No, he's sleeping in a tent outside.
Yo, it's not. His snoring sounds like he's farting.
Mama, I just need to wake up, fuck up.
Wait, you shut up, shut up. Epic man.
No,
Listen
let
closely.
Epic hear.
When did he fall asleep? When did he fall asleep?
Well, you don't need to whisper. He's not gonna wake up.
We should get Zethome in here. We should get Zethome in here.
No!
Can't believe he fell asleep.
Okay, I'm actually gonna sleep.
Peace out, that's pretty funny.
Wait, is he coming back?
I think his boss got mad.
Papa, you need to wake the fuck up.
Jesus.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna wake up. Jesus.
Someone's gonna randomly want to come in here and talk to him. And then here's Storm.
I know.
I just came from SRP session, so he's still doing it.
Need Zethome. Zethome. Need him. I would ping Zed, but last time I pinged him, he kind of warned me, so. Prime got off.
Ew. This is nasty.
Wait, you're recording? Send that to me later.
Looking pictures in the global radio. Yeah, I know. He's a tier 1.
I know, I've been playing for a while, like I played like 5-6 sessions and then I just got bored. No cap, sounds like he's shitting himself. Sounds like it sounds like sharts, not farts, like sharts. Dang, he's sleeping. Shh.
Shut up. Shut up.
Nah, he's actually sleeping, bro. What's wrong with you?
Wait, who's sleeping? Wait, Boatman's sleeping.
Shut up! You'll hear it.
There's somebody that you rape.
We already tried it. We went an admin lounge and everything.
Yeah.
What?
Shut up! Shut up!
Yeah.
Shh. Shut up! Listen to Boatman. Listen to Boatman.
What though, man?
Shh. Wait for it.
You fucking called me to get somebody's.
Yo, Adams, we need some of your ear rape.
No thanks.
Why does he sound like a Minecraft zombie?
Okay.
Literally sounds like a Minecraft zombie sleeping.
Oh, is that home here? Yo, is that home? Listen closely to Boatman. Bruh.
This is not working. This is not working. Come on, try harder. This is legit. Oh my god.
Bruh. He's still sleeping.
What's that? Try harder. You gotta try harder. Find the loudest. Find the loudest thing. Find the loudest.
Bruh.